Like, arguably one of the ugliest cats.
Hello? Ow! No!
Ooh. Hey!
Why are you jealous for, huh? You think you're the only...
Chase!
呀，这里，
What happened? Why are you mad at me?
Kitty. Oh, what happened? Why were you sleeping like that?
Get your nails clipped or perish in the river below. What will it be, Mr. Bond?
Oh, there's no top.
Oh my god. Oh no, you're gonna hurt yourself. Back up. Let me see you smile.
Cup.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Your mouth. Hey, hold on. What's it? Why do you look at you at the bed? Look at what you're doing.
Одри, разве можно так?
Oh, it's okay, honey. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's recovered.
Get up.
to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.
Somebody once told me the
On the outside. Jumper jump.
I love you, April. You're so pretty. You're so
If you do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Oh my god! I'm so hungry I could eat a cat. An orange cat. Look at this belly. So chunky. I'm so sorry. Oh, I got her. I'm so sorry. Mila! 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 Quick!
music hits me so hard, makes me say, oh my lord.
Go take out your paws out.
Let go! Go first. Let's see now.
Huh? Seriously?
Yeah, high five. Bam.
Can I help you? No! Can I kiss the book? Can I kiss? Can I? Book! Hair dryer?
Right, let's see how you go. Good boy. Good boy, run, go and see Izzy.
I'll be right back, I promise. Come on. Cheesy, come on.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
You want to come inside? Okay. What the hell? Who are you? Did you meet somebody out there? Who is that? Excuse me, who are you?
it. Stop. This isn't you.
I'm so hungry I could eat a cat. An orange cat.
Look at this belly. It's so chunky. I'm so sorry.
The Pied Piper.
No, they're not doing it.
They will. They will.
What are you doing, buddy? Oh my god, look at him.
You're gonna.
Big smile, Holly. Oh, good girl.
Yeah, no, it's ketchup. Yeah, it's ketchup.
Stop it. No. No, I said.
Okay, come on. There you go.
Oh my goodness, you alright?
Princess, where are you? You can run, but you can't hide.
What are those?
They're called my sandals.
No, 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 I need that.
You might be too long.
Are you kidding me? You get locked in the bathroom and meow all night and you're gonna hit me? Oh, you little... Mm.
对待臣民一片赤诚之心。
Oh my god.
Do that again.
Oh my god.
Big smile, Holly. Oh, good girl.
Don't do that.
Fluffy body. See you soon.
Oh, I'm sorry.
What are you doing?
Found a stick on the ground, and now I'm gonna use it all.
Wow. Get out of town. They're gonna.
Where's Mama gonna sit? Right there? Oh, okay. Oh, you forgot your toy.
Sida you?
Thank you for helping, Marty.
Turn, what? Good, wait, what? Oh, nice. Great. Woo!
Excuse me. Excuse me.
You two, you're gonna go in time out if you keep it up. Do you understand me?
Playing a game of whack fuck here. Whack.
Don't eat my plants. Don't eat my plants.
Is he gonna deliver sweet? Oh, attack from out of nowhere!
You ate a bee this morning. How do you feel?
My cat and I just be having conversations that nobody will understand, like meow.
Hey, don't chew on his tail, Holly.
Yeah, go ahead, pull it through.
Rollins with a stop to Lester! Roman Reigns!
No. You get out.
You don't have to be scared of the kitty.
Let Daddy help you. Ready? Ready? Go this way. Ready here. Look at you. You literally brought that thing to your cage.
That little stick, he's a very...
On the outside, top boot up, unbelievable resurrection for the Undertaker.
What are you doing?
Name is John C. And his name is John C.
Sorry, I can't go to work today. I have a cat on my lap.
Well, you're fired.
That's okay.
Roman Reigns.
Were you gonna have a little snack in my car? Is that what you were doing?
Bro, I'm just...
Stop. Kyle! Fucking Kyle!
Look at the situation they got me facing. I can't live a normal life. I was raised by the street.
Here, we're going to bring the palms back and release. If you're in a chair...
You're adopted. It's true. I adopted you. I'm sorry that the truth has to be revealed this way.
If
you're gonna be stupid, you better be tough.
Mira pa, mira. No sea malo, el compañero en todo HDM.
I just don't want that video.
Where'd you bring me?
Booty flicker shake.
Bye.
Don't eat my plants. Don't eat my plants.
Otro viaje, carboncito.
What's up, Mr. Cool?
Zia, was it you? Zia? Did you knock her down?
Put her down on this. You can put her down on that.
Stop, you're scaring me. You're scaring me.
That's my man. That's my man.
Alright, your turn. No!
I guess hungry?
What are you doing?
Hey, Marilyn?
这边，你好，你好，你好，你好。
No! Oh! That's not for you! Hey!
Hey, leave her alone. Oh, baby. Oh my god, are you okay? Are you okay?
What are you doing?
Mikey's a bitch.
puppy.
No, 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 I need that.
Sit.
You were barking. You're not allowed inside right now. What are you doing? Get it.
I guess hungry?
Raggy, stop!
Aí ela, vai lá foi, mano, aí ela foi. Pega ela aí, mano.
Miss John C.
Oh no! Good girl.
Happy birthday, girl. How's my sweet Polly? Happy first Remy, you okay? Remy, you okay? You good?
You don't have to knock. You can just come in.
Hello, ma'am.
Dia pillo, pillo.
Oh my God, my Shayla, my Shayla.
What's your problem? Will you square up with me?
One more on his hand.
Is he gonna deliver sweet? Watch it again. And
Ay, mami, ay, ¿qué hizo? Te atacó, te atacó.
be best friends.
Crowley! Crowley, goddammit! Fucking hell!
Guys, stop. Just kidding. Get him! Get him! What?
Oh my God, my Shayla, my Shayla.
Sit. Sit.
When you got in there, Wilson? Oh my goodness!
No, it's his mom.
Are you serious?
Good morning, everyone.
I love you.
This motherfucker just ate my pizza.
I'm so hungry I could eat a cat. An orange cat.
Yes, she's happy for me. She's happy for look, she's happy.
Pretty big chicken breast. There's Lucy.
That's my bill.
Thank God. I don't even know what I do without half bed.
Pretty incredible, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly.
Is you okay? What happened? Look at that. Oh, look at that.
Chama, Miguel, chama. Chama, Miguel, para descer.
She's chewing on your tail, man. He said, what?
Look at him.
Look at my eyes, man.
Come here.
Take a little bite.
Look at my eyes, man. Yo,
Drop it. Mama. Mama.
Hey, what did you do to your ears? Stop chewing. No, stop it.
Go ahead, pull it through.
I love you. Oh, I love you too.
is he going to deliver speed? Oh, attack from
Move. Come.
Oh my god!
Oh, Chad.
Oh no!
Face the camera.